Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily install Hdo Box on Firestick. Let's begin. So first thing that you need to do is you need to prepare the Firestick to download Hdo Box. Now, the Hdo Box is a third-party app and is not necessarily hosted on the Amazon App Store. So for this reason, you'll need to download and install a downloader to sideload the Hdo Box app on your Firestick. After downloading and installing the downloader, the next step is to allow the installation of apps from unknown sources on your Firestick. Now, you're going to scroll to Apps on your Fire TV home screen and click on it. Then you're going to tap on Downloader from the app choices. On the Home tab, you're going to click on the search bar. And then you're going to enter in the URL which says hdo.app/tv and then click on Go. Afterwards, you're going to wait for the app to finish downloading. Afterwards, it's going to say, do you want to install this application? It does not require any special access. Go to the bottom right, then select Install. You're going to click Delete to delete the downloaded APK file. Then lastly, all you need to do now is select Delete again to confirm the delete. And that is how you install Hdo Box on your Firestick. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.